guys, how are you doing today? My name is Ludia. I'm a Badger assistant coach. Today I'm back and I want to talk to you about how to send money from Wise to your bank account. So if you want to transfer money from your Wise to your bank account, then this video is for you. So the first thing that you need to do is for you to log into your Wise account the way I'm logged in. And once you're inside the account, click on send money. Once you click on that, the page will load. You'll be presented with a screen that has two options: send from your account outside Wise and send from your Wise currency account. So in this case, we want to send money from our Wise currency account, and you're going to click on the British pound. So once you click on the British pound, you are also going to be presented with another screen, and you'll have two options: send to the same currency and send international. So in this case, I want to show you both options. You may decide, it depends on where you want to send to. So for example, if you're sending, if the money is in the currency of your country, that means you're going to send to the same currency. So you're going to click on send to the same currency. And as you can see, when I'm sending from British pound to British pound, I'm not going to be charged. It's all free. For me, I'm going to send international. So I'll click on international and choose my currency, which is KES. And once I click on that, it's going to show me how much I'm going to be charged and when I should expect the money. So right now it's showing me that I should expect the money in 30 minutes time. And as you can see, I'm going to be charged 1.53. So I'll click on continue. Once you click on that, you're going to be taken to another screen, or the tab will load and you'll be presented with more options of choosing the recipient of the money. If you've not added the person into your account, then you will need to add the person. But if you have, you'll be given all the names, the recipients in your account, all their names, so that you're able to choose the right person that you want to send the money to, or the account that you want to transfer the money to. So if you haven't added the person, you're going to click here. If it's yourself, you click on send money to myself. And then because I've already chosen the currency I'm going to send the money, they're going to give me all the options available for that country. So in this case, I have local bank and I have M-Pesa, but we are talking about local bank. So I'm going to add my full names and my bank details, and then I add the account number, and then I click continue. But because for me I already have my account details added to Wise, I'm going to click on the right account where I want to transfer the money to. So I click on this. So when the tab loads again, this time all I need to do is review the details before I click send. So I'll check the details, look on the amount I want to send, check the fee, the total amount that will convert, so that I'm sure what the person is going to get, or the money that I'm going to get in my bank account, and then see the bank account details, they are correct. And then it shows me the money will be arriving by 3rd August. That means I shouldn't expect the money in 30 minutes as I saw previously. So I'm going to click on the message that I want to send to the person. So I'm going to click on, let's say it's an invoice, or there's a message that I want to make sure the person knows who sent the money. So I'm going to, let's say, the invoice number, like that. And then I click on confirm and then send.